Now, I'm pretty good with this. I'm gonna have Christine come close to me. Okay, and then the other follow. Let's go. Turn like so in seconds. Single arm punch, forward punches. Oh! No stretchy pants workout. This is what it's called. What are we doing? Punch it! We're going to go punch. Ready? Wait. 3, 2, and go. 110. No. Keep it better. Switch your feet. Switch your feet. I didn't say switch hands. Switch your feet. Come on. Tuck the elbow in. Tuck him in. 5 seconds. Let's all do a mark. And switch it. No pictures, please. Turn that body. Turn the body. Turn the heel forward. Big punch. Are you sweating, Val? That's sweat. Ooh, oh. What's up, Dennis? A little too high. A little too high there. Let's go. Now, Teddy likes to get kicked in the belly when he does this. So we're gonna go boom, 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 boom. Here's another fella. Boom. That's what we're talking about. It's Turkish. She's laughing. What's up? Whoa. Up close and personal. They like that. Well, this is G-rated, please.